Hey guys, unless you've been living under a rock, probably during quarantine 2020, during all this COVID-19 madness, if you weren't already on the app TikTok, you probably are now. And so a question I'm getting a lot is, should I start a TikTok account? Should I create one? Should I get into this? Let's talk about it. Alright guys, so if you're watching this video, I'm going to make the assumption that you already know what TikTok is. You're not thinking about a clock or whatever. You know it's an app where people are making fun music videos, parodies, having a good time. And you may have also realized that it's no longer just for like kiddos. So in the United States, the company that started TikTok, it's an Asian Chinese-based company. They purchased a company called Musical.ly that was very an app based for super young people making only music videos. Now, because it is now TikTok and it's worldwide and it's approaching like 1 billion users, it's crazy. Because of all of this, there's a lot of different content on TikTok. It's not just these music videos. So I dived in myself, checked it out. So literally a month ago, I started an account. By no means am I some large account. You may find in the future that when you come back and check on me, I may have thousands of followers because that's what's happening. So I literally, if you really think about it though, I have 671 followers, whereas I had 0 like a month ago, and I don't know anyone on TikTok. I haven't, like, none of my friends even know that I'm on TikTok. So the fact that I'm being found just by content that I'm putting out by almost 1,000 people is really amazing, just if you stop and logically think about the numbers, right? So, okay, I'm making goofy videos like this, and I don't think you can hear the music, but that's okay. I'm not sure if I have that option turned on for you to hear the music, so that's all right. It is the Still Dre remix, if you know the song. That's what I'm dancing to. So just like stuff like that, that has no views. I actually like put work and like appreciated that idea. And then scroll down a video I made a couple of weeks ago. Ooh, that's my wife parody. So I have a video that has more views than anything I've ever done in my life. So it has 80,000 views. All right, here it is. So 85,000 views. I literally made this video just answering a question from a friend. A friend was asking me about the stock market, and I was like, let me just make a TikTok real quick, because that would be a quick way to answer this question. And so that's what I did, and the video has 85,000 views. It's crazy. Like, so I would definitely say the app itself and the platform is crazy. Should you start though? Should you start a TikTok account? Should you be growing one? Let's get back to that. I'm gonna let you think on it. Let me just go over a few more stats of TikTok real quick. So look at this chart, really cool chart from influencermarketinghub.com. So showcasing the downloads of the app, right? So it was basically one of the most downloaded apps in the first Q1 of 2020. This data is actually kind of old. So this is, I just realized that, this is 2018. There were 46 million installs of the app in 2019. So that's crazy. Here's from another website, Oberlo, which is another very reputable website. You can look at you could just look at the chart. Charts to me are really powerful, right? So it's the most downloaded app in the Apple App Store. Hear my dog in the background. Sorry about that. He's a killer. I don't know if you guys can hear him barking. All right, check this out. So on Hootsuite, the blog, TikTok is the 6th largest social network. So I'm giving you this information almost to partially answer the question so that you can answer the question, should you start a TikTok account? Because you're probably thinking like, oh man, it's one more app, it's one more place for me to create content, it's one more this. So I would ask a few questions. So I have some notes. So why would you create? Why would you do it? Like, why would you open it? Or is your goal to make direct sales from the content? If so, know that the audience is definitely younger. It's growing in the US. Where is your audience? A ton of people in India are on the app. A lot of people in China are on the app. Tons of Americans also on the app, but you just have to kind of like, is your audience worldwide? Is it localized? So think about that. If you're looking to make like direct sales, are you just looking to have fun? Like, that's not actually a dumb response. I mean, if you're just thinking like, man, I just want an outlet and I want a creative outlet, TikTok can be a creative outlet. If you're a creator, you have these ideas, it allows you very easily to put your ideas into motion, into play, with no worries about like who's gonna see it or whatever. It could just be for you. And I go back and I watch my own TikToks, and I'm definitely like entertained. I'm like, oh yeah, that's kind of funny. Like, I have my own ideas. It's like I'm creating it for me. Now somebody else can find some value out of it, like that, like the stock market video that I made. Great. I mean, that's awesome. Are you looking to build a brand? I mean, I would say that definitely, it's definitely a platform to do that. I have not seen the type of organic, fast growth on any other platform for me, or for like people in my own business circle, in my network. I haven't seen any other platform grow this fast, really, ever. I mean, I have seen it before. Obviously, like Instagram, did that, and people have explosive growth on platforms, but I've never seen so many people grow so fast with my own eyes. And so if you're looking to build a brand, definitely a place to do it. I would say the only person it's probably not good for, like if your sole goal is to become like, I don't know, TikTok famous or just grow, I mean, what happens if that doesn't happen, right? I mean, what happens if you don't get a following or people aren't digging your content or whatever? Like, that could be a bummer or a downer for you. But if you want to get in there and learn it, and you're like, man, okay, I want to figure out what people want or whatever, then okay, go for it, I see zero downside in starting a TikTok account, except for, of course, but the same as any social media account, you don't own the data. It is a Chinese company. Some people are scared about that. I literally don't care. I'm the guy that wants you to know exactly what my search habits are so that you can serve me the best ads possible. But if that kind of thing scares you, then that's something that you need to think of. But if you are a person that's like older, so I'm 36 years old. If you're me or older and you're like, oh man, this is an app for kids, think again. Every celebrity that you know probably has an account and is putting out content. Tons of people all across the world, your age and older, are there putting out content. So I would definitely implore you to get in there and check it out. I'm not saying there's like a golden era and it's a gold rush and you won't be able to get an account grown. I think you can always grow an account, but I do think that we are in the middle of something special right now. And so with TikTok, so I definitely would say take advantage of that for sure. So like this video if you haven't already. I didn't realize my light wasn't on, so my face was all dark. But like the video, subscribe to the channel. Liking the video actually helps me, it helps us a bunch. It helps people to be able to see the content so that other people can get this information. And so I sincerely appreciate that. Put your TikTok account down below if you haven't made one or you're thinking about making one or whatever. Comment with your account. I mean, I'd really like to check it out and see it. And yeah, I look forward to connecting with you guys soon. Take care.